Hey guys, I'm showing you this LANGCYGO Nautical theme anchor canvas tote bag with an inner pocket. So it's a top zipper, reusable grocery bag and can be used for any other purpose. So you can see a very nice canvas tote bag. So it's a fabric here. There are two handles. So it's a heavy duty bag which can hold up to 30 kilogram with a reinforced stitching and an inner pocket. So you can store in your mobile or any other thing. It's a top zipper. So you can just zip it. So this one is a 20-ounce cotton canvas and a very nice print on the top here. So nice print, nice stitching, is a reinforced stitching for a heavy load. Let me just put in some stuff and let's see how this goes. I'm just putting in my laptop, my mobile and things, some of the clothing. Let's have a good space and can hold a good stuff here, and the handle and everything is nice, which can easily hold it. Even when taking, you can use a large capacity with a heavy duty. There are other designs as well for this bag. And it's pretty nice, good canvas tote bag.